Americans are keeping a close eye on the price of their groceries. For the ninth straight month, inflation for food at home, aka groceries, rose a slower rate of 0.1% last month. Brooke De Palma is here with the details. And Brooke, any sort of relief we can get with our food is always something good.
Any sort of relief at all. I know Americans and shoppers alike are just begging for some relief at the grocery store, and we're here to tell you that it is on the way. Deceleration is really the name of the game here when it comes to the cost of groceries. In the month of May, as you noted, grocery prices increased month over month about 0.1%. Now, year over year, we saw grocery prices increase 5.8%. Now, that was the smallest 12-month change since October of 2021. Now, that's also far lower than the highs that Americans saw when it comes to the cost of groceries back in August of 2022, which then we saw the cost of groceries increase 13.5% year over year. Now, that sigh of relief, particular to eggs. We're here with some good news for all egg lovers. They can start to rejoice as those prices start to crack. Throw in every bun you can. But month over month, egg prices declined 13.8%. Now, that's the largest monthly decline when it comes to the price of eggs in 72 years. The last time we saw this large of a decline was in 1951. As you saw there, egg prices year over year dropped down 0.4%. Now, in addition to that, when you take a closer look at the cost of a dozen large grade A eggs, you'll notice the difference there. Right now, as of May 2023, they cost about $2.66. And Rochelle, that's compared to January of this year, where that same type of eggs costs $4.82. And so hopefully shoppers will take note and start to see some prices dropping there.
Love to see that, because we just kept seeing those egg prices just keep rising there. Oh, a lot of that tied to the avian flu and some of the lower stock that they had to provide those eggs. So, Brooke, then did any other grocery categories decelerate prices in May? And what else stood out to you?
Yeah, well, year over year, we saw 5 out of 6 of the major food categories see a deceleration. Now, once again, that's a slower rate of inflation, not necessarily a decline. But taking a closer look, we saw cereal and bakery products up just a tick, up 0.1% month over month. And that was brought lower by fresh biscuits, rolls, muffins, but floured and prepared mixes, crackers, cracker products in general still are seeing an uptick. Moving right along to the meats, poultry, fish, and eggs category. Once again, we're seeing eggs drive that category lower. Also bacon driving that category lower on a monthly basis, but uncooked beef roast and fresh whole chickens seeing higher prices month over month. Dairy prices were driven lower by ice cream and related products. That was down about 2% as far as ice cream goes. Non-alcoholic beverages also seeing a slight uptick there, but once again, decelerating compared to last month. And other food at home, we're seeing this as a somewhat persistent inflation category, with sugars and sweets rising 10.2% year over year, up 0.4% month over month. Margarine also keeping a close look there. We're seeing that category up more than 20% year over year. But right here, fruits and vegetables, and that's a largely volatile index, and it tends to vary based on season, based on weather conditions, particularly when it comes to fresh fruits and vegetables. And as we saw there, it's up 1.4% on a monthly basis, largely seeing an uptick due to the cost of apples as well as lettuce.
I appreciate that breakdown of all things grocery and food for us in that CPI data. Brooke De Palma there for us. Thank you so much.